Hey guys, it's Dhruva. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you know, me and Mansi are moving to a new home. Well, not actually a new home. We are just moving from upstairs to downstairs. That is, my parents will be living on the first floor and me and Mansi will be living on the ground floor. And we wanted everything in our new space to be perfect. So guys, the house is still not put together, but we are still, buying things. We are looking for things online and offline. And we went to DMart the other day and we purchased quite a lot of stuff for the home. And I thought that let me do a quick haul in this video and show you what all we got, because the things that we got are super cheap, like they're cheaper than Amazon. So I thought, let me just quickly show it to you. So if some of you, you are in the process of redecorating your house or you're moving, then this might help you guys. So we bought a lot of rugs. We bought around 7 to 8 rugs for the entire house. So I'll quickly show you. The designs are great and they are super affordable and super cheap, and the quality seems to be really good. So let me quickly show it to you. So this is the first rug. Also, our entire home is in the theme of white and the doors and windows are light gray. So we particularly wanted the house to be white so that we can add color to it, or decorate it however we want. So if you can see this puffy here, so this is a multicolored puffy and the entire room is white. The curtains are white and blue. So we can decorate it however we want. We can change the theme, we can change the colors whenever we want. So that is the reason why we kept the house white and gray, like super minimalistic. Even the lamps are white, gray, subtle theme. So this is the first rug. It's for the entrance door. So we have gone for a theme that's looking blue, gray, and goes with the overall vibe of the living room. This was for rupees 199 and it's super soft and really good quality. Then we got these half circle shaped rugs because we thought that these look super cool. So we got around, I guess, 6 of these, all in different colors. So we got this one, then we got this one for the bathroom. Like we have a bathtub cabin kind of a thing, and when you get down from it, you need something in the bathroom itself because it gets slippery and you're obviously wet. So this is what we got for the bathroom. Then we got one more. So all of these are different. Then Mansi got this one for her room. Her room is a lavender themed room. Like the entire house is painted white, but her bed back and everything is lavender. So she wanted something like this. So this is what she got. So what we are going to do is we'll be placing one of these. We have made a golden framed mirror and we are going to decorate it with fake leaves and stuff. So we still have to get those. Probably we'll order it from Amazon, or if we find some local store in the market, we might explore that option as well. So one of these will kept in front of the mirror, and these semicircles look really cool. Then we thought that we'll put 2 of these together and form a circle, and we can place a center table on it. So that's what we are going to do. And there's one more rug. I know too many rugs, but that is what makes the entire house and gives the entire house a very luxurious and comfortable vibe. So that is what we wanted, and I got this long one for my room. Also, these semicircles ones are priced for only rupees 169 each, and I feel that's super cheap for such great quality. And also they are different than the usual rugs that we get. So this is what I got for my room. It's a long rectangular rug, and my room's bed back is this very light blue teal colored kind of a background, and those I want, and my room is all white. So I got this rug that complements the entire vibe of the room. So I'm going to place it like on my bedside, so whenever I wake up in the morning and when I step my foot on the floor, I get to touch this soft rug. And let me quickly check the price. This one is also for 199 rupees, guys. DMart is a steal. So I got all of this from Bharuch's DMart. We got some more random stuff for the house. So we got these hangers all in white because somehow me and Mansi, we are all into the minimalistic vibe, because our previous room was all pink and bright. So now we wanted very white and subtle kind of shades, maybe because we've grown older. So we got 6 of these hangers. These are priced at rupees 120 for 6. So we got like 3 bunches of these because we probably have a lot of hangers, but our new cupboards are such in which, you know, you will be able to hang a lot of stuff, and that is how we like to organize. Like only the ironed kurtis and stuff you can, you know, place in piles, but all the dresses, all the tops, we prefer hanging it all. So both of us, me and Mansi, would like to have our clothes hanged. So those, we got these. Then we got these random brush to clean water bottles. We just bought it like that. We got some stuff for the bathroom, toiletries and stuff, just so everything smells good. Oh yeah, we got this laundry bag also. You can see this is a light gray color bag, so this will, you know, just camouflage into the dressing area and stuff, so we can, you know, have our unwashed clothes into this. And yeah, this is what we got. I don't exactly remember the price. Wait, we have a tag. I feel this was somewhere around 400 or something like that. I'm not very sure. If I check it out, I'll leave it on the screen. Then we got these organizers. These are plastic basket organizers, and these are again in gray color. So if you know, want to stuff, suppose you have a lot of socks or maybe napkins or undergarments or whatever you want to stuff, you can just place all of those into this, and you can just keep the basket all together into a shelf. So that way it looks very organized, and also you can, you know, dump them however you want. So we got 2 of these. This is for 350 rupees each, and again in gray color because that's the color we are going with these days. Then we got 2 plastic bottles just to keep in the refrigerator. We already have all this stuff, but me and Mansi were like, you know, we have to get new stuff. So we just ended up spending on things we didn't even want. Then I got this random brush. This is like an adulting purchase because I don't like when the kitchen sink is all wet, and also this comes handy when you can, you know, just clean it all up, and I'm like a cleanliness freak, so I got that. Okay, we have more stuff. So we got this very cute cups. We didn't need them. We literally have a drawer full of these mugs, but we got them anyhow. These are priced at rupees 89 each, and we got it in different colors. We got yellow, we got this pista green colored mug, then we got one in a blue color and another one in this peach pink shade. Then we got this really nice air freshener. This is like 22,000 sprays guaranteed. So this is like something which you can keep in the bathroom, and it automatically sprays the scent. It's from Air Godrej. So we got this one, and then we got a cute dustbin, another random purchase. So yeah, this is what all we got. I feel some of the stuff is in my room, I'm not so sure, but this is what we got as of now, and I'll keep you updated. So that's it guys, I think I've blabbered enough in this video, and I would love to make a vlog or a new video in which I actually decorate everything, I put everything right in place, and honestly give you a clear picture and show you how it all looks and how it all turns out. There is definitely going to be a house tour, a room tour, a bathroom tour, and all of that. So stay tuned for that, and if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it, and I'll see you another time. Till then, bye.